you know you could actually put these in your car? Right, today we're just gonna do a simple modification with this thing. Not really mod, just bit of. And you notice they don't have the marking. These are blank, but they work. But they, you know, they got these blank, nothing in here. But you got the automatic window symbol here on the sign. You got it there and there. You know, but you know these are blank. But what I did now, right? Actually, bought these stickers. They reflect in the night, like reflectors. Right? So what I did, same on the back. Just put them in here like that. So it's like that glows in the dark. You know. Same way I put them over here, like so. Kind of look cool. As you can see, look a little bit. You know, put them in here as well. So in the night, to just show us that. You know, so how you do that now? You just take one off, and then you hold it on your finger like so. And then you just stick it on like so. If you don't get it right first time, you can always just lift it up again. There you go. Right, so I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna take this one off. I'm gonna put it another one there. Right, they also come in different colors. Right, in this car because I got some blue lights on the dash at night, so I go for the blue one. But the other car got some orange and green, so I go for this one. Right, you can see it's over there. Right, it's in the back also. You know, you can see it. Lights up in the night. And I think you look better than the blank. You know, just blank. You know, there you go. Look better. Before. There you have it. It's in the night. It's gonna look like that. You know, that's how you're gonna look in the night. Daytime, it's like that. Nighttime, lights up. It's gonna look cool, you know. Right, and I'm gonna do the same thing in the Honda. See? You got the blank space in here, right? I don't know why to do it like that, but and over here it's blank. So we're just gonna put the stickers here. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna use. I might just go for the blue or the yellow. Alright. See it as well. It's blank. So we're just gonna put some stickers on it. We got some leftovers from there. You got the lock as well. Some strips over that side. But for this car, I'm gonna use these. Okay. There you go. Take it from here. How you do this now? You wanna put it like so. All right. You want this bit to face out. All right. Not this way. Not that way. This is the way you put it, like so. Or you could put it however you like, but you know it's better that way. You know, yeah. So you just peel one of these off. You just take one of these off. You can see it's glow in the dark. All right, so you just take one of these off and then clean this bit off first. Clean it off, and just stick it in there. That's it. Right, so you just literally peel it off like so. Right, and then stick it in there. There you go. That's one. See? That's how it's gonna look in the night. There's no special way to do it, but when you cover it up, that's it. See? That's it.
Anyway, cheers for watching, and remember to click on our